Hey, Christmas light installers, let's talk about taking this stupid wreath down without getting your ladder out. And yes, if you install this wreath, you can take this down with, yes, Mr. Long Arm, and yes, I've done it at 24 feet all the way extended. It's not ideal, but if you have a carbon fiber pole, it definitely works a lot better. But this is a way that we can take these wreaths down without having to get the ladder out. Because in the year that we're in right now, 2025, there's been several people that have fallen off of ladders and falling off of roofs, and that's not a good thing to do. So if you are going to use a ladder, make sure that you have someone footing your ladder also. So basically, we just want a nice little hook that's got the hook here. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show how to do this properly, but one of the things up here is we didn't go around the screw. I didn't wrap it around the screw. I just kind of put a big loop in it so that it can go there. I'm actually gonna show you, typically what you would do is just come up in here and grab into that wreath, and we're just gonna kind of pick it up and try to get it to come off there. We're gonna work it up if we can. Sometimes it's a pain in the butt, and sometimes it don't come off. It's gonna make a fool out of myself. And then we just bring it down. Most of the time, this is one reason why I actually did take this tighter. I like to make it looser. And as we come down, we wanna keep this pole as straight as possible. If we allow this pole to get sideways, then it's going to bend the pole and break it down. And basically when this pole is all the way extended, we're just gonna break it here, and we're just gonna work this down here. I usually take both hands and just work this down slowly. Now, I know some people aren't tall enough to be able to reach that, but if you have to, that's where the carbon fiber poles, the water-fed poles, work a lot better. So again, if you do this right, you don't have to get your ladder out. Sometimes you gotta get the ladder out, but 9 times out of 10, you don't have to get your ladder out. This is how we get quick takedowns. So if you wanna get your takedowns down in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, a nice pole, and that's why I always teach you when you're installing the lights to have thoughts in your head of how to take down, because sometimes we try to go underneath things, we zip tie things, we do things we shouldn't be doing that makes it difficult for takedown. So again, just a quick little tip for you to get your Christmas lights down quickly. Again, I'll show you in this next video of actually how to take the lights down on a house and stuff like that. If you need any help, if you need any Christmas lights, you can go to christmaslights.io. I have everything you need there. If you need, if you've got questions, you can message me. You can send a message to me at jason@christmaslights.io. You can text message me at 855-619-5483, which is the word light, L-I-T-E. And with that, can't wait to see you in my next video.